Okay, hello students. We will start our next topic of textbook page number 101, that is internet security threats. In our previous session, we discussed about 4 important aspects of security. Now the next topic is internet security threats. The most common threat that are faced on internet we require to discuss. The first one is malicious code. Before we go ahead, threat means what? Threat means risk, fear of either change the data or delete the data or any negativity of your information to be destroyed, or you can say something happened wrong with your data. The first we discussed, that is malicious code. Now the word code indicate what? The word code indicate that the programs which we prepare. Okay, so when we say about code, we are talking about collection of sentences. For example, if I prepare a program, and in that program if I write like this, okay, for example, a program which can copy, okay, so I mentioned copy folder X into folder Y, okay, clear? Now here I will add one line. After it is over, delete all files. Now this is correct code, but what hacker will do? Hacker will join this code with this one. So whenever you try to execute this instruction, what happens? Automatically it executes this instruction. And I hope you understand delete all file means what. So this is malicious code. It can not only delete, okay, it can do so many things. So malicious code is one that causes damage to computer or system. Malicious code can either activate itself or be like a virus requiring a user to perform an action, such as clicking on something or opening an email attachment. That means what? If you click on any software, then that software is attached with virus, I mean to say malicious code, and then it do something. Or when you open an email attachment. Now email attachment means what? Somebody send email to you, and when you open that email, along with that email one song available. You believe that song download, but along with song so many other things download, which can damage your computer. It can also affect network. Your internet stop functioning or functioning slow. Send the message through email, okay, automatically it send multiple messages to your contact list on behalf of you, and steal the information or cause even more damage, or copy your data or steal your private information, your photographs, and your privacy will disturb. And sometimes, as I say, it delete also. So all this activity, negative activity done with the help of malicious code, either through email or by clicking or by downloading or by opening the email with attachment. Okay, these are the mediums through which your internet security can be disturbed. Okay, the next we have to talk about, that is the next concept indicate that sniffing. Now let's discuss sniffing reading part first. Sniffer is a program that uses internet to record information that passes through computer or router, means your modem, Wi-Fi modem, to transit from sender to receiver. Now here what happened? That somebody will record the message from my computer. If the data transfer to X person's computer, then sniffing will record that data, okay, and keep as a copy. So privacy is not maintained. I don't want anybody else to know what is the communication going on between me and X. Okay. So in that case, third party try to record that data. If you observe in old Hindi movies that two terrorists talking with each other, then they are communicating about some plan, but in that situation, in that context, police authorities tape that video, tape that telephone, okay, and with the help of taping of that telephone, they come to know about what are the planning, how they attack, where they attack, okay. So using a sniffer program is like taping the telephone wire and record the conversation. Sniffer programs can read email message, user login, password and credit card numbers. Now this sentence you have to understand. In my computer, if I got a sniffer program with the help of email attachment or by any means, then that program will not delete any information. It won't delete anything. Okay. But rather than deleting anything, what it does, that is, whatever I am typing from keyboard, that it record. Like to log in email, I enter my ID password. So sniffer program will record that ID password and transfer to the person who create the program. Credit card numbers, PIN number, everything, whatever I can type from keyboard, everything will transfer to that person who create sniffer program. So sniffing is nothing but record the data, whatever going on. Next, denial of service attack. Denial of service attack is an attack used to shut down the machine or making inaccessible to intended users. Means what? If denial of service attack done, then it stop your network. I mean to say your internet connection is stop functioning. You are not able to access the website. By targeting the user's computer and its network connection or sites which user try to access. Means what? You try to open any website, but it will open YouTube only. If you write www.gseb.org, it open YouTube. If you write online sbi.co.in, it will open YouTube. So here what happened? Okay, it will, what it does, that is, the sites which user try to access, it won't allow user to access that site, but it will transfer to some other website. An attacker may be able to prevent the user from accessing email. You can't open your email ID. You can't open website. You can't go for online accounts like banking or other services that rely on the affected computer. So on the computer which is affected by denial of service attack, you can't do financial transaction. The user are flooded. Okay, so this is one situation. Now second situation. If your computer is having the issue of denial of service attack, the user are flooded with hundreds of thousands of messages that create traffic problem on internet. Means what? In 1 minute you will get approximately 500 messages. It's true that you start deleting the message, but it stops the traffic, because if multiple people try to access your Wi-Fi, then in that case number of messages will block your Wi-Fi. I mean to say speed reduce. Okay. Next, cyber vandalism. Now cyber vandalism is the electronic defacing of an existing website page. Here what happened? Your existing website will change. Okay, you have website, hacker will not delete anything. Listen, be careful. Hacker will not delete anything, but an hacker replace the website's original content with his or her own content. What happened? On my website, my home page, my information will change with the attacker information. It is an example of integrity violation. Integrity violation is what? Copyright information. And it is electronic equivalent of destroying property, destroying my personal property, destroying my information, destroying my logo, destroying my tagline, destroying my product photographs, or placing graffiti. Graffiti means what? Identity on someone's photograph. Okay, so identity is also change. Okay, before I go for the next line, I want to show you the example of cyber vandalism. Okay, look at the screen. This is the example of cyber vandalism. If you carefully concentrate over here, the name of the website is visible. The name of the website is GSEB.org. Before many years, board website is hacked. That is cyber vandalism. A hacker will change the home page of Gujarat board. Okay, and if you read carefully, nothing deleted. Security 0%, stupidity 101%. Just the security reminder means hacker just want to indicate that the site is less secure. Hacker provide the email ID also, and hacker say that since because you are not logged out, that's why the data hacked. That's why the website is hacked. So it mentioned at last /logout. Hacked by whom, and then some number is mentioned. I would like to give a challenge to the batch. Okay, you can able to find out, it's a number plate kind of thing, M4573R 5N1P3R. You can able to see this number. I want you to find out that it is not a number, it is the name of the hacker. It is the name of the hacker. If you apply your some common sense, then you can able to find out what is the name of the hacker. Those hackers who hack data under the reason of cyber vandalism, they always write their name in such kind of pattern. Okay, and this phrase you can observe on so many websites. I hope you understand. Okay, so this is cyber vandalism. Today there are so many cases of cyber vandalism where the business content is replaced by offensive material. Means what? Your website content is replaced by some offensive. Offensive means what? Prohibited material. On my website they put the photographs of drugs deal, weapon purchasing and all those. So I will be in trouble. Okay. Next, spoofing. Now spoofing or masquerading is pretending to be someone you are not. Okay. Or representing a website as authentic but actually it is fake. Okay. It indicates that somebody, but actually you are not that somebody. Means what? My website realized as a Amazon.in, but actually it is not Amazon.in. Okay, and it also mentioned that representing a website as authentic. Okay, so website express what? That is authentic website, but actually website is fake. Okay, so it is a technique where the attacker tries to assume the identity of another person or system for transacting with victim side. So here what happened? It relate with the how you transact with the victim website. Example is given. For example, an attacker can create fake website gs1.co.in and change his IP address with the real website IP address. Means what? Look at the screen. We have a website gs1.gov.in. This is the official website, actual website, correct website, authentic website, whose IP address is 32.6.2.11. I hope you can see. Now what hacker do? Hacker create another website gs1.co.in and IP address is 12.45.78.9. Okay. Now here what happened? The attacker apply the logic. Attacker will change this IP address with this one. Clear? So now what happened? When somebody try to open gs1.gov.in, automatically they redirect to which website? They move to which website? gs1.co.in. They type the website name correctly, but because IP address is changed, so now what happened? Even though you enter correct website, you are redirect, you are moved, you are transferred to the fake website gs1.co.in. And on this website, whatever you do, that is fake transaction. So you believe that you are dealing with a genuine website, but actually you are dealing with a fake website. All the user visiting to real site will then be transferred to the fake website. I hope you understand. So this is the area of discussion of the concept called internet security threats. Okay, next topic is security measure. Before I go ahead, I want to clarify to the batch that these security threats which I explain you today, they are hot favorite topic of paper setter. Every board exam questions are there. Every board exam, any paper you pick up of any year or any stream, from this topic MCQ is available. And these two are hot favorite topic, cyber vandalism and spoofing. Okay, fine. So we keep up to this today. Please take care of yourself. Thank you.